For making English project, that is phonic sound tree, you want a scrapbook, few colorful pages, glue, ice cream sticks, scissor, green glaze paper and sketch pen or markers. Let's start the project. At first, we will write the name of the subject at the top of the scrapbook with the help of a marker, and then we will write the topic. See, like this, we will write the name of the subject and the heading or the topic. Now we will prepare the 3 sound trees one by one. For making sound tree, at first we will take the colorful pages and then we will make circles with the help of the cap of a bottle or some small size bowl. Okay, then we will cut these circles out. See, I have made one circle with the help of the cap of the glue's bottle. Now with the help of the scissor, I will cut 5 or 6 circles. While using scissor, please be careful. Ask your guardian to cut the circles for you. See, now I have so many circles with me. Okay, now we will take the ice cream sticks and we will write the sounds here. After that, we will write the rhyming words or the words that ends with that sound in these circles, on these circles. Okay, I am writing phonic sound of UN. So we will make the phonic sound tree of the words that ends with the sound UN and the sound of OT. Okay. Now one by one I will write the words that ends with the sound UN and the sound OT on those circles, and then I will stick those circles in the shape of tree at the top of this ice cream stick. See, I have written the words ending with this sound UN on these circles. Now we will stick it one by one. See, like this, I have written the words that ends with the sound UN, and I have stick all the circles in this ice cream stick. Now I will make leaves. For making leaves, I want this glaze paper. You can use glaze paper or any other green color paper. I will draw the shape of the leaves in this glaze paper and then I will cut it out. See, I have made the leaves. Now I will draw the veins in these leaves. Now I will stick these leaves here so that the tree will look beautiful, right? I have made 2 phonic sound tree. See, sound of UN and sound of OT. You have to make 3 trees. Now I will stick these trees in the scrapbook. I will stick this here, and in the next page I will stick the another one, and in the third page you will stick the third one. You have to stick each phonic tree in separate pages, and at the top you have to write the name of the subject and the heading. See, like this I have stick this phonic sound tree in this page, and I have written the name of the subject and the topic. One more phonic sound tree. You have to make 3 phonic sound tree. You can also stick these colorful tapes in the page to make the looking more beautiful. Then it will look more beautiful. Okay, thank you. I hope you have understand it.